About to go to Supercuts, get a little trim, see what happens.
Oh my god, this kid. What can you do today?
Hey, shut the hell up and do my hair.
Bro, watch your mouth. Don't talk to me.
Man, do something about it.
Hold this real quick.
Bitch, I fat his ass ever. Bitch, I can't breathe.
You got some hair right there on me.
Just clean me up, dog. Get me up out this seat. You fuck around too much. Bitch, stop playing. Bro.
Hold on, bro. I told you to stop moving, bro. I told you not to move. I'm gonna be able. I should be able to bring you back. Hey,